Let's take a look at how product reviews are set up on the platform. So I'm going to go up to product reviews and I'm going to click on dishwashers. We'll pretend that I'm looking for a new dishwasher. So all of the product pages are set up in the same way. They're going to have these 4 tabs: overview, ratings and reliability, recommended, and a buying guide. An overview is going to give just a general overview of the product. So in this case, it's dishwashers. It might have some links to videos. There's also appliance news, so news that would be specific to the product you're currently looking at. Beside overview is the ratings and reliability tab. So this is going to bring up the actual list of reviewed and tested dishwashers that the user can then go through. And it can be a daunting list. So there are limiters at the top where you can set specific limits. Maybe I don't want it to be more than that. And I can narrow my list based on the different filters I set up here. Beside the ratings and reliability tab is recommended. So these are going to be the top recommended dishwashers based on reviews and testing from users of Consumer Reports. And the last tab is the buying guide. So this will give information on things to consider when buying a new dishwasher. If I was on the TV page, it would be specific to TVs. But things like choosing your look, price information, things to consider, what sort of features are going to be necessary for your dishwasher. So if you're brand new and you don't know anything about dishwashers, this is a great page to come to. Gives you lots of things to consider and think about while searching for your next one.